Hear me out. This is Najeti Harvey, owner of Hair by Najeti, Natural Hair and Locs Salon in Bloomfield, Najeti. And I'm here with my Naturalista sister client. Hey, sis.
What's going on?
We're back.
We're back. I'm so happy to be back. It's been a minute.
Almost 3 years?
Yeah, almost 3 years.
3 years that I've seen you, but 2.5 years for me.
Right.
Since I've been temporary closed. Praise God. So, I just finished maintenance on your beautiful, lovely locks. Colored it. Turn around, show everyone. Come on now. Let me
look at it.
Let me show you the maintenance locks. Beautiful. The original hairstyle of mankind. And you got maintenance. I colored your hair.
Colored my hair.
Right.
Shaped me up in the back.
I did shape you up.
Did some lock maintenance. I had a few that were, hanging
on. Yes, I did lock maintenance. Yes. And I remember it blends in so much.
They blend in. You forgot which one they were. You can't even tell.
You can't even tell. I did two. One over here.
And one in the back.
And one in the back. Yes, I do repair locks as well. I use natural hair to repair the locks.
Yes.
I've been a loctician for 30 years. Celebrating 30 years in business as well. 2022. Praise God, right?
That's right.
So, sis, you previously went to a natural hair salon loctician, and you experienced the palm rolling, right?
Right.
I don't palm roll. I never palm rolled. I don't agree with it because I believe it's too much tension on the hair, and it can cause the locks to eventually thin, which I gently like to lift it, put gel, and I twist it to the right, going clockwise, going with time and not against time, and I'll take a double black comb. I'll show you this right here, and I put it into each root of the lock, each lock, and then I sit you under the dryer until it dries. Now, your experience with palm rolling, talk to me about it. What's the difference between that and experience with Hair by Najeti?
Well, I noticed the last couple of times I have been going to a hair salon.
Yes.
I didn't know the difference between palm rolling and what Najeti has done. And I did notice when she finished, first of all, my hair wasn't being pulled. When she...
Who? You referring to me?
Yes.
Okay.
When I noticed when you were doing it,
yes.
It was not being pulled. Okay. It wasn't tight at all.
Yes.
And as compared to when I've got it done before, after they're finished, I'm like, it just looks so spacey that before I got here, and I had told her, I'm thinking about cutting my locks off because I was not happy with the way they were looking. I thought they were so thinned out.
Right.
When she showed me when she was finished, it does not look thinned out at all. My hair was never tight. There was no tension or anything.
Right.
And she takes the time to explain what she's doing. It's like you're coming here to get your hair done by your sister. It's so much love and respect for not only her clients, but their hair as well. The other places I've been to, they just palm roll it, put you under the dryer, and that was it.
Wow.
Sometimes I've got from underneath the dryer, my hair was never completely dry.
Okay.
Did not get any of that experience here.
Therapy Oasis.
I take care of you.
I take care of you.
Some water, some fruit. Worried about your health. You see we're masked up.
We are.
So.
Yes, we are.
You will not be disappointed at all. And let me tell you, you will talk. She is very personable, and you'll talk, you'll laugh, you may shed a tear or two, but it is like family when you come here. I really appreciate it.
I love you, sis. I'm so happy.
Yes.
You leave and you came in with one vibration, and you leaving with new beginnings.
Absolutely.
I see you. Oh, come on. Thank you so much for allowing me to give you some therapy oasis at Hair by Najeti, Natural Hair and Lock Salon in Bloomfield, New Jersey. Naturalistas, book online.
That's right. You won't be disappointed.
That's right. Be you. Peace and love.